If your Samsung Messages app is packed with old conversation, don't worry. It's only take it 2 minutes to clean everything up. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to delete all text messages at once. Let's get your inbox organized and free up some space today. First of all, open the Samsung Messages app on your phone. After the app is open, make sure you can use the latest version of the app and also updated your phone latest version. After that, here you can see the all of messages, SMS, text messages, everything listed there. Simply long press any single specific message. After that, look for the all button appear. Simply tap on it and automatically select the all of messages on your menu. After that, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can see the delete all button. Simply tap on them, then hit move to trash. And right now your messages homepage automatically clean and all the messages move to the trash folder, not be permanently delete your phone. If you permanently delete them all of messages, simply hit the 3 dots more icon. After that, choose trash. In the trash menu, you can tap on the 3 dots more icon, select empty, then hit the delete button. And that's it, how you can easily delete all text messages at once on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this guide made things easier. If it helped, please like, subscribe and come back for more simple Samsung tips and everyday tech tutorials. Have a great day guys.